Welcome to a short journey into the realm of Ibn Arabi's unity of existence, a concept that challenges our perception of reality and unveils the interconnectedness of all beings. Today, we will delve into the profound philosophy of one of the most influential thinkers in Islamic mysticism. Ibn Arabi, a visionary Sufi philosopher born in 12th century Spain. He explored the deepest recesses of the human experience, seeking to unravel the mysteries of existence itself. At the heart of his teachings lies the principle of unity of existence. The unity of existence posits that everything in the cosmos, from the smallest atom to the vast expanse of the universe, is interconnected and derives its being from the same divine source. It is a spiritual concept that bridges the gap between the material and the transcendent realms. Imagine a tapestry woven with threads of diverse colors and textures, representing the myriad forms of life. According to Ibn Arabi, each thread, no matter how distinct, is inseparable from the whole. Just as a drop of water merges into the vast ocean, our individual identities merge into the greater tapestry of existence. Ibn Arabi's profound wisdom reminds us that our perception of separation is an illusion. He once said, "My heart has become capable of every form. It is a pasture for gazelles and a convent for Christian monks." These words encapsulate his belief that unity transcends religious, cultural, and social boundaries. He invites us to embark on a mystical journey, a path of self-discovery and awakening. He emphasizes the importance of inner exploration, self-reflection, and direct experience to deepen our understanding of the unity of existence. Through meditation, contemplation, and devotion, we can unveil the hidden truths that bind us all. Ibn Arabi's teachings extend beyond intellectual discourse. He emphasizes the practical application of his philosophy in our daily lives. Compassion, love, and kindness become the guiding principles of our interactions with others. By recognizing the inherent divinity in every being, we cultivate a sense of unity and foster a more harmonious world. In today's interconnected world, Ibn Arabi's unity of existence holds great relevance. It reminds us that despite our apparent differences, we are part of the same cosmic fabric. By embracing our shared humanity and recognizing the inherent unity of all existence, we can transcend divisions and work towards a more peaceful and inclusive society. As we conclude our short journey into the unity of existence, let us ponder Ibn Arabi's timeless wisdom and embrace the profound interconnectedness of all things.